If you have ever packed your apartment to move, you know the feeling. Boxes start piling up, you lose the tape, and panic sets in. Scaling that up to a 500-person headquarters means managing thousands of moving parts simultaneously. This page from the Project Management Institute's AI Essentials Guide explains why it is so difficult to keep up. We are living in an exponential age. Technology is advancing so rapidly that the sheer volume of details, deadlines, and data in a major relocation has outgrown the capacity of basic spreadsheets. Artificial intelligence acts as a digital co-pilot for these complex projects, handling the heavy data processing, which allows a project manager to step back from the spreadsheets and actually lead the team. This circular framework shows how this co-pilot actually operates. It comes down to three main abilities. The first is perceive. An AI can absorb complex information, like reading through a dozen different architectural floor plans, and instantly identify where every desk is supposed to go. The second ability is predict. Because the AI has perceived all that data, it can spot patterns you might miss, like anticipating a severe delay for your delivery trucks on moving day. Finally, we have plan. The system uses its predictions to build a new route. Knowing the trucks will be late, it automatically suggests sending your IT team in early to set up. By using these three steps, perceive, predict, and plan, you get out of the weeds. You spend less time chasing down delivery trucks and more time ensuring your team is ready for their new workspace. Those three concepts are most useful when they are applied directly to the daily grind of an office move. Take your weekly status meetings. Instead of scrambling to take notes while trying to run the discussion, an AI assistant can listen in, write down the entire conversation, and instantly draft a clean, accurate summary email for the executive team. Consider document management. Moving requires reading through mountains of paperwork. This funnel graphic shows AI sorting unorganized documents into distinct categories. It also scans for missing pieces. Watch this red folder. The system alerts you if a required parking permit is missing. It also handles the repetitive scheduling. The system can monitor your project timeline and trigger a specific reminder to cancel the internet service at your old building on the exact day you leave, preventing double billing. AI takes on the high-volume, repetitive tasks. This reserves your energy and focus for the things a machine cannot do, solving complex human problems and keeping morale high during a big change. Adopting this technology requires a deliberate strategy. You want to introduce it to your workflow carefully, rather than trying to change your entire process overnight. The first step is to take inventory. Look at the entire scope of the relocation and pinpoint the single most painful administrative task. Find the bottleneck that slows everything else down. Step 2 is to start small. Don't try to run the entire move with AI on day 1. Pick one contained task, like having the AI read and summarize the price quotes from 5 different moving vendors, and start there. Step 3 is crucial. Clean your data. An AI is only as smart as the information you give it. Outdated spreadsheets or errors mean bad advice. Organizing your data into a clean grid is the most important thing you can do before starting. Step 4 is to team up. Bring in your IT department and other team leaders to test these new tools in a safe, low-stakes environment. By taking inventory, by starting small, by cleaning data and testing together, you build trust in the system gradually. As capable as this technology is, it has blind spots. Take a look at this robotic arm. It confidently moves the box, but drops it straight through the floor because it lacks common sense. AI systems lack human judgment. One specific risk is called a hallucination. This happens when the AI doesn't know the answer, but instead of saying so, it confidently invents false information. For example, it might suggest you hire a highly rated local moving company that does not actually exist. There are also serious data privacy risks. If you use a public AI tool to organize your staff directory, you might accidentally upload the personal home addresses and phone numbers of 500 employees. That information can become part of the public tining data, creating a major security violation. This flowchart illustrates the best way to handle those risks, a concept called the human in the loop. The AI acts as assistant, generating the first draft of the schedule or budget. Then you act as the final checkpoint, reviewing the work before approving it. When you use the system this way, the payoff is immense. Because the AI sorted the documents, spotted the missing permits, and scheduled the vendors, you had the time to walk the floor, answer questions, and guide your team through a stressful transition. The tools to make your work easier are available right now. Start small, clean your data, and test out an AI copilot on your next project task. When you let these tools handle the repetitive administrative noise, you finally gain the bandwidth to focus on the one thing a machine can never provide: human leadership.